In today's video, I'll show you how to use the new message background generation feature in the Messages app on your iPhone with iOS 26. This is a fun and personal way to customize your iMessage chat and make your conversation more exciting. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. Now, tap on any conversation where you want to apply the custom background. It can be a chat with a friend, family member, or anyone else. At the top of the screen, tap the contact's name or group name. This will open the chat settings. Here, you'll see a new option called Backgrounds. Tap on it. Now you'll see different categories to choose from. You have First is Photo. Lets you set any photo from your gallery. The second is Color. Choose a solid color or gradient. The third one is Sky, which adds a calm and natural look. The fourth is Water, which gives a soothing animated water background. And the last number 5 is Aurora, a beautiful, dynamic background with flowing light effects. For example, I'll choose Aurora. Once you tap Aurora, you'll see styles like green, purple, and pink. You can preview each one to see how it looks behind your messages. After choosing your favorite style, tap Done in the top right corner to save your background. And that's it. Your background is now applied to that conversation. You'll see your chosen custom background whenever you open that conversation. It makes your messages stand out and adds a personal feel to your chats. If you ever want to change it, just go back and pick a new one or remove it. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.